What's up, guys? I hope you guys are doing well. So I'm back for my trip to Arizona. The tournament got canceled, so that kind of sucked since there's really not much to do because of the coronavirus outbreak. I'm going to clean this garage and then finally put the conveyor dryer together. Alright guys, I'm finally done. I'm about to start installing the conveyor dryer. So it's this big box and these other two boxes here. So I'm gonna start off with opening the big one, and then I'll open up the two little ones, and yeah, hopefully I could put it together in no time. Alright, so now we're going to grab these 3 sheet metal screws. They're all sheet metal screws that it comes with. We're going to get the side panel, like that. Alright, so now it's time to put the heater in here. So I'll have to open up the next box. It's going to come with these 2 hangers. This is going to go on the heater. Let me move this out the way for now. So I took the screw off from here, then put the hanger, and then put the screw back on to have the ground on there. Okay, so wherever the knobs are at, that's where you're going to put the wires towards. And drop this in. So it just sits right here. I'm gonna put some screws on there right now. Here's the wiring and here's the knob. So the wires are most likely gonna go under. I'll figure it out, but this is how the heater is going to go. Yeah, so we're good. That's all it does. So the reason why that's there, you have two adjustable knobs, one on this side and another one over here, is, for example, if you're gonna do a hat and you want it to be, you want the conveyor dryer to be slanted, all you do is loosen this up and move this down, so when it goes down to the conveyor dryer, it hits one side less than the other. Pretty cool. Okay, so the conveyor dryer has little slots here where the conveyor dryer is going to drop in. Here we go. Make sure it's sitting flush. And once that's done, you just put the mounting screws. You screw each side. There's 3 screws on for each side. Okay, the next step, it shows to move these wires. Okay, we're gonna have to move these wires down through here to this little hole. So it says that we need to pass the 3 wires one at a time through the hole in the conveyor bed. Tan wires first, then the green wire, pull wire through to make the connections. Alright, now we're gonna have to put the conveyor dryer on its side. So, as you can see here, there's a wing nut and a lock washer, so I'm gonna remove that. We're gonna put in this one here. We got that done. All right, and now we have to do the tan wires. These 2 here. So it says to put them, there's two places where it could go. One here and another one on the other side. It does not matter on which one you put it. So as long as they're both connected. All right, there we go. They're both connected. Now it's time to install the belt. Okay, belt speed. All right, so now that we have the belt installed, we need to install this protector here to protect the wire. This just slides in here. Yeah, so now we need to install chain guard. After you put the belt the belt protector. Then you put, after you put the chain protector, then we're installing the belt protector here. Alright guys, so here it is. Here's the conveyor dryer. I'm not sure how loud it's supposed to be, but this is the noise that it makes. That's at the highest belt speed. That's halfway. So yeah, you'll for sure have some noises. Not a big deal, but just letting you guys know. But here it is. I haven't tested it. I will probably test it out tomorrow. Just wanted to show you guys the setup process, and here we go. It took me about I worked on it and then walked out and then came back, but the total time that it takes to put this together is about 2 hours. You run into some problems here and there, but for the most part it took me about an hour. This right here, I think I have to align the belt a little bit more. It is supposed to be tucked in under here, so I'll mess with that. To align it, you have to mess with these here. But yeah, here it is. I like that it's not too big of a conveyor dryer. I also like that this is white compared to yellow. The ones that I was looking at, the display on their website, the picture that I had on their website, this was yellow. So white is much better. And tomorrow the press is going to get here, my new Ryonet 4-color 1-station press. So I'll be putting that together. I have to clean this up as well, and then yeah, we'll be able to test out my new equipment very soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and just stay tuned. Tomorrow I'm going to get my Ryonet press. I'll put that together, have my whole garage set up with the new equipment, and start doing some test prints. Hopefully everything works out, and then keep going with my KDM merch and make all of this grow, guys. So just stay tuned. I appreciate all the support, and yeah, thanks for watching. Hey guys, so I'm driving home. I went to my parents' house and I checked on my ring. Someone rang the doorbell, and the press and my other equipment that I ordered is finally arriving. The only thing that's in back order is the laser, so that should be fine. But yeah, I'm on my way right now. They're unloading the stuff. I'm excited, guys. So should be some good content coming your way. And everyone, take care with that coronavirus shit.